Yes, so welcome everyone to the technical training session. So here we will be working on how to connect your IBM cloud data to send it to Nodered. Okay, so Nodered installation process I've already explained you in the last video. So just go through the previous videos or your technical training sessions conducted. Okay, so here in the previous session, previous video, I've just explained you Node-RED, how to install it through Kubernetes. Okay, so if you are working on local Node-RED, then the IP address matching, or like every time you have to show the demo, you need the IP address properly. So it will be a problem for you. So that's why we are not going now with the local Node-RED, okay, which you run in the system. And Cloud Foundry, which we taught you in the sessions, so that is deprecated now, right? So that is no more existing, so we can't use it. So that's why we have made the video on Kubernetes. Okay, so how to install it and everything, you can just go through that and add it. Okay, so Node-RED installation through Kubernetes is already video available for you. Okay, just go through the previous video. Okay, and now here I'll explain you how to connect Node-RED to your IBM IoT platform where your devices are sending the data. Okay, here you can see that I have created two devices, and the second device, which was I was showing the demo in the last sessions, right? So this data, now we are getting it from Walkwe to IBM platform, and also from Python code to IBM platform, right? So again, to and fro from IBM IoT to Walkwe and from IBM IoT to Python. So this is also done, right? So that also setup and everything is ready. So if you just run the Python code, it will to and fro communicate with the IBM cloud. And Walkwe also, so that video also, if you see, to and fro is done with the IBM IoT platform, right? So this particular device we have created, and this videos, both the videos are also uploaded, and you can check in the previous videos. Okay, so yes, so now how to create the device and everything also in the same video it is explained, Walkwe to IBM IoT. So in that you can see it. Okay, so now this particular data, whenever we are getting from Python or Walkwe to IBM IoT platform, so how to take that data to the Node-RED. Okay, so that we can use it in our website front end or in the MIT App Inventor. Okay, so that we will see today. So now here on the top you have three buttons, right? Just click on this hamburger and go to manage palette. So if you just click on manage palette, here you have installs. So if you just go to install, here type IBM IoT. Okay, just type IBM IoT without any space, guys. Okay, IBM IoT, then you will get Node-RED contrib CSX IBM IoT app. Just click on install and again click on install. Okay, just click on install here. So it will take some time to load, and after that you can see that it is installed properly. Okay, yes, so it is saying installed, right? It is showing here installed. You got the pop-up event, so just close this. So once you closed it, if you scroll down here, yes, if you scroll down, you will get IBM IoT in and IBM IoT out. Okay, just take IBM IoT in for now. Okay, so here what we will do is we will take the data from IBM IoT to Node-RED, right? So just double click on this, and here you have quick start, change to API key. Okay, and here you have add new IBM IoT key. So for this, you have to connect your IBM IoT API keys to Node-RED. So just click on edit symbol here. Yes, so you can see name. So I'll just give IBM IoT API. Okay, so without any space, I just given there. So here you have to give the API key and API token. So where you will get this? So for this, you have to go to your devices. So here in your boards, devices, members, and apps, right? Just click on apps. So once you click on apps, so you have already like many apps are created, many API keys. So here you can create one more. Okay. So just click on plus generate API key. So once you click on that, you will need description and API. Nothing changes. Don't do any changes. Just click on next. So once you give next, the role is there, put just standard application. The role, just select standard application and just click on generate key. Okay, just click on generate key. So here you have API key and authentication token. So this two you have to copy paste to a notepad, okay, and just save it in one particular place. So because the authentication token will not be given you again. So that's the reason. Okay. So the API key I'm just copying here. Click on this. It will say copied. Go to Nodered and paste it here. Go to again back token, copy API token, paste here. Okay. Make sure you are saving these details in a notepad also in a different place so that it will be helpful for you later whenever it is needed. Okay. So just click add. Okay. The IBM IoT API is added here. So device event, all these things remain same. Okay. Don't change anything. Just click done. Okay. So your IBM IoT is now ready. And here, so this is also ready. So this is also completed. We have taken the information. So just click close. Okay. Your API will be added below here. Okay. So now if you go back, so here the IBM IoT is now ready. Okay. If you run the device, it should get the data. So I'm just connecting here to the message.payload. So whatever data the data comes to the IBM IoT for that device, it should come to message.payload even. Okay. Then just click on deploy. It is saying connected, right? So now here in the devices, so I'll just enable the simulator so you can run the Python code or walkv, okay, and get the devices data. I'm just now running the events here, simulator. So this is to just check the device. Okay, you can, yeah, you can just use walkv, or you can just uh, use Python code, both run it so that you will get the data here and it will go to the Nodered. Okay. So yes, so here I've added it. I'm just going inside the events. So here I have just a random number 0 to 100. Okay. Just I'm clicking on send. Once I click on send, if I open the device, it's seeing the recent events. Just click on send, random number 19. So if I go to Nodered, so here you can see the random number is 7, 19, right? You're getting all the data. If I delete also, so it is showing connected here. It should show connected. If it is not showing connected, guys, so there is something wrong. Okay. The API keys you have given. So make sure you correctly give the API keys. Okay. So again, I got random number 1 and random number 81 because there are two devices for me from two different devices. The data has been sent from, this is sending one, and this ABCD, this one, this is sending another data. Okay. So that's the reason I'm getting like that, but you will get exactly in the Python, whatever data you're running, exactly that data you'll get to IBM IoT and will come to message.payload, and in the Nodered you can see your data here. Okay. And all the data will be here. And if you want to separate it or take only one particular data out of the complete messages, you have to use function. Yes, so you have function here. So just take function. Okay, now just delete this, connect to function, and function to IBM message.payload. And inside the function, you will just write message.payload is equal to message.payload, whatever data you're getting, dot. So I'm getting random number here, right? I'm just copying pasting this. And putting here. Okay. So it is saying message.payload equal to so and so, and I'm just ending the line and done. Okay. So then a function is ready. I'm just clicking on deploy. So it is saying connected, function is there. And now let's see how you'll get the data. So you'll get only 17 and 78, right? Only that particular value you are getting. Okay. Random number. You're not getting all the values, or like if you have temperature and humidity. Okay. Nothing like temperature value, humidity value, completely you will get it. Okay. Just write the function like this. So inside the function, you're just saying message.payload dot whatever data you got, temp, humidity, humid, random number, you just type it and put that in the message.payload. Okay. so that from the message.payload, from so and so value, it will store as message.payload and send it to the message.payload here. Okay, so that only that value will be displayed. Got it, right? So here it should show connected. If not, you have given wrong API keys. And function, make sure you give proper message.payload, and then you in the message.payload, this button should be enabled. If not, it will not deploy, it will not show the output. And once this changes are done, just click on deploy here. You will get the data to the Nodered. Okay, so from here you can just send it to your IBM Nodered dashboard or MIT App Inventor. Okay, so app or website, you can send the data. Okay, so so with this, I'll close the session today. So you can just work on IBM IoT to Nodered. Okay, thank you.